The first of 2 rounds of rain and snow actually starting to move into the county right now. A lot of us still dealing with those clouds, but if you're in the North County, Camp Pendleton, Fallbrook, Bonsall, parts of Oceanside and Carlsbad, we're seeing that rain becoming a lot more steady. Light and moderate though a heavy downpour can't be ruled out. Even some of those early showers are reaching the areas like Ramona, but this is mostly going to be rain today. The colder air is going to be filtering in behind it. But this right here, this is the atmospheric river. It is a weakening system, but you can see there is some heavy rain falling in parts of Orange and Riverside County right now. So the first round is with this atmospheric river. The second round, which will be more widespread and heavier, is as that storm system dives south and moves into us. That one is going to be tomorrow evening. Both of them look like they're going to be causing a headache for the evening commutes. First tonight and then again tomorrow night. Certainly it's chilly. We're in the 50s for most of the county, but look at Mount Laguna and Palomar Mountain, well above freezing. So again, today's mostly, even into tonight's, mostly going to be rain in the mountains. By early tomorrow morning, that's when we'll start to see that rain transition to snow. The wind is going to be continuing to pick up. We do have a wind advisory for the deserts that starts at 10 o'clock tonight. I'll pinpoint more on the wind in our next half hour, but the winds are going to be building, especially as we head into the day tomorrow. It's going to be colder tomorrow. We're looking at highs in the mid to upper 50s for most coast and valleys. I am forecasting 60 downtown, but that's going to be one of the few 60s. 30s in the mountains and 60s in the desert. So temperatures are going to be trending about 10 to 20 degrees colder than normal. So again, there's the atmospheric river. This next round is going to bring more rain tomorrow. And then there's another storm system set to bring more rain and potentially even mountain snow early next week. And there's actually a third system right behind that will continue to rain into Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So this one, winter weather advisory, starts overnight tonight, in effect all day Thursday through 10 a.m. on Friday. Areas like Julian and Ranchita above 4,000 feet, 1 to 4 inches of snowfall. And I have bumped up the totals for areas like Mount Laguna and Palomar Mountain, Lookout Mountain. Some areas could see up to a foot of snow. Add on the wind, really difficult travel through the mountains, especially tomorrow, in particular tomorrow night into Friday morning. I would avoid traveling through the mountains if possible. If you do need to, make sure you're bringing chains with you. By 6 o'clock tonight, widespread rain. Again, mostly light to moderate. That continues through about 10 o'clock tonight. After about 11 or so, the widespread rain starts to taper off. It becomes more isolated. Your Thursday morning commute, you could run into some wet roads and occasional showers, but the evening commute, another messy one. This is at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Widespread rain, and the snow is going to be dumping in the mountains all night Thursday into Friday morning. Periods of heavy rain Thursday evening as well. This is at 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and then we'll see activity starting to taper off as we head into Friday morning. So 2 rounds of rain. We're about to see the worst of it tonight, and then tomorrow is actually going to be even heavier and more widespread than today. There's also a chance for thunderstorms tomorrow. Temperatures warm back closer to 70 by Sunday along our coast, while inland neighborhoods will be in the mid-70s by then, but that doesn't last very long. Cooler with more rain expected next week. For the mountains, temperatures here in the 30s tomorrow and then closer to 60 by Sunday before temperatures drop again. This is going to be the biggest snowstorm that we have seen so far this season. The desert's not a lot of rain, but you'll notice those gustier winds, especially with each passing storm. Tomorrow, the first real big round.